Today I have something special. I have a brand called Beauté Seoul, which is a Korean brand that reached out to me to try their curly hair products. Seoul, Korea. Like, what? What's going on? They sent me their Curly Girl first aid kit, and guys, I'm excited to try it. So if you'd like to see what I got from Beauté Seoul, please keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. Okay, so this is what they sent to me. This packaging is amazing. Yes, I did open it. It says Beauté Seoul Curly Girl First Aid Kit, and this is what was inside. We got a keratin treatment. I'm really interested in that because I'm actually in the market to try to treat my hair tonight if I can. It also comes with a bonnet that looks like this, and this end goes onto a dryer so you can better treat your hair, and also a heat protector that goes around your head. So I'm excited to try this. Are you guys ready? So I've gone ahead and conditioned my hair and detangled it, so we should be golden right now. I'm gonna wash the conditioner out and then we're gonna treat our hair. I'll let you guys know how it feels, how it smells. We're just gonna demo everything, and yeah, let's get it popping. I'll be right back. All right, my hair is washed out and I'm ready to try this bad boy right here. Okay, so this is Define Your Curls Keratin Leave-In Treatment. It smells weird. I don't know where to put it. I'm not sure how much to put in, but it's not bad, guys. Like, I've had treatments before that felt stiff, and this doesn't feel stiff. Definitely not hard at all. The smell, I'm still trying to pinpoint the smell though. It has a light perfume scent. It's not overbearing, at least not for me. But yeah, it's not bad. Okay, we're done putting in the treatment. And now we're gonna just put our hair underneath the bonnet, put some heat on there, and see what my hair feels like after. Dry your hair for approximately 15 minutes on a low setting for maximum efficiency. Now I'm gonna add the bonnet. You guys, they didn't say to cover my hair with anything, so I'm just gonna put my hair up. I'm gonna put this around the edges of my hair because I don't have time for my hair being on, like, burning off my edges and stuff. The bonnet on. Feels pretty sturdy. I like the fact that it has this at the bottom. It's about ready to do this. I'm gonna add the blow dryer to the end. Right here, I'm just showing you guys that I'm going to be putting my hair on at the dryer for 15 seconds. Just to let you guys know, the dryer blew my mic, so that's why I'm so mad. So that's why there's no more sound. But here, the 15 seconds are up. I'm just removing the bonnet. The area where I put the dryer had some kind of rubber around it that prevented the dryer from slipping out, and I was really impressed with that because I'm so used to dryers just slipping out, or I have to like hold it for the longest while so that it doesn't slip out. I was also really impressed with the headband that they gave me. It did prevent me from feeling any sort of heat around my edges. We'll definitely be using that again. My hair felt really nice, but it was dry at the same time because there was no plastic bag to hold in the moisture. So the dryer did dry out my hair quite a bit, I think 75%, but that was fine by me. Overall, the brand was really nice. I am super impressed that the kit came with everything you needed to do a treatment or to even dry your hair.